How to enable your microphone in Linux apps. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chromebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your microphone in Linux apps on your Chromebook. So if you're using a Linux app such as Audacity or maybe OBS on your Chromebook and you want to give that app access to your microphone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily do that. Now to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings on our Chromebook, and we do that by going down, selecting the clock. Then once the menu opens, go up and select the gear for settings. This will open up the settings on our Chromebook. From here we just need to go up to the search bar and search Linux, Linux, and then select the first option that comes up. Once the Linux development environment is opened up, all we need to do is go down to the bottom where it says allow Linux access to your microphone, toggle that on. You'll see a quick warning that says that the Linux environment will be shut down, so it's just going to reboot the Linux environment. This means it'll reboot Linux, not your Chromebook, so you can select shutdown, and then you can close the settings, and the next time you use Linux on your Chromebook, the microphone will be enabled and you can start using it. All right, so that's how you enable the microphone in Linux apps on a Chromebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Chromebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.